The Aachen Center for Additive Manufacturing is based in Europe's most vivid engineering ecosystem, the RWTH Aachen Campus. ACAM pools resources and facilitates industry access to the additive manufacturing expertise of leading scientific and research institutions.
ACAM works just by the ingredients that we have, by the network of excellent partners, both from industry and our research partners, and we try to combine that with passion for the technology, with passion given by the peoples that are working with ACAM, by our partners from research and industry. And by the combination of those two worlds, research and industrial communities, sometimes 2 + 2 make up to 5.
ACAM offers 4 main pillars of services. The one is membership. We offer the industry to become a member of the ACAM community and to work together with us in research and development related to actual challenges in the industry.
Today we have several other opportunities besides that agile manufacturing approaches that come with additive manufacturing, and it's not so overhyped anymore, but being a really profound technology that will be used in almost every branch that we could imagine today as a digital manufacturing technology, influencing the whole value chain from design over manufacturing all the way to the use cycle and influencing the business cases, well, all over around the world.
We are offering education services, training, seminars for the industry, where again companies come together and work together on new solutions. And we are also offering our know-how, our services in terms of bilateral projects, in terms of projects where the industry solves its specific problems together with us in a project setting.
Der Standort Aachen hat bezugnehmend auf AM die längste Vergangenheit meiner Ansicht nach in Deutschland. Also wir sind bereits Anfang der 2000er Jahre mit dem Standort Aachen in Kontakt gekommen und sind daher seit sehr langen Jahren schon sehr gut in Aachen aufgehoben.
アーヘン地区にはアディティブマニファクチャリングに関する最先端技術が結集しているということで、それが非常に我々にとっては魅力的だと思います。後に述べますが、我々がACAM というクラスターに参加したのも一つはそれが、そこで情報を得るというのが一つの目的であります。
We have some examples where we've taken the collaborative project to another step as a bilateral project, and by doing the first steps as a collaboration, we've reduced our risks and our investment in total.
My vision for the ACAM is to be the first point to get into touch when you think about additive manufacturing and not really sure how to approach that market, how to approach that technology. And if you are, as an AM user or as an AM manufacturer, are more mature in that field, we as a ACAM are the one point to get to the network when it comes to discussions about the technology, about the market, about business opportunities.
Have you already taken the next steps towards the future of manufacturing?